This video shows you how to create a heat map using the grid chart. To create a grid chart, select Custom Object from the Asset panel, and then under Qlik Visualization Bundle, drag and drop a grid chart to your sheet. Populate the grid chart with your data. Then from the right panel, select Appearance, and then select Presentation. In the Layout drop-down menu, select Heatmap. In Colors and Legend, enable the Custom Color option. Then, from the drop-down menu, select the option to color by measure. As a measure, we leave the sum of sales. Then, as a color scheme, we select diverging classes. Then, we uncheck the Show Legend Title checkbox. In the X-axis, we select Labels Only from the Labels and Title drop-down menu. And in the Position drop-down menu, we select the Max option. Repeat the same process for the Y-axis. Now we have a heat map chart displaying comparative data, and the values are represented as color patterns in the chart. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.